Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral maths question. Very viral. Many fail to solve the right answer. And if you have already done this, then comment your right answer. I will give them heart. You are so brave and mastered math. And those who failed, I will solve them step by step. We will use the PEMDAS. Okay. Parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. In that case, we have the parenthesis part, division part, and multiplication part. We will write 14 divided by 2 into 4 plus 3, which equals to 7. And as we know, multiplication, division are the same priority, and in that case, we solve from left to right. So first we will do operation division. 14 divided by 2 equal to 7 into 7, and 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So here 49 will be the right answer. If you want to be a master in math, go and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and check out the base math book in the description. Thanks for watching.